Okay, come, look first.
Sophie, come. Sophia, come and eat. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your girl Mama. What's up? If today is your first time watching my video, you are highly welcome. My channel is all about cooking, talk video, lifestyle, hairstyle and more. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always watching my video, and if you are a lover of all these things I just mentioned now, please kindly join the family by subscribing, turn on the notification bell. Please guys, don't mind the noise, turn on the notification bell so that you will be getting my new videos. Please, if you want to make ends meet, if you want to make extra income, inbox me. I have a new way of making extra income for those of you that may be interested. So let me quickly go to the business of this video. I'm just unboxing this because it's weekend. I just got the posts DHL, they just send it to me from Ella, as you can see. So on today's video, I'm going to vlog my lifestyle. We are going to see a friend, my daughter godmother, so they are expecting us. So I decided to make this short video for you, those of you that need extra income. So inbox me. So continue watching guys, and I hope you enjoy the vlog, and please feel free to share my video. Is a way of helping. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your girl Mama. What's up? If today is your first time watching my video, you are highly welcome. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by, for always watching my video. You are highly welcome. May God bless you all. So on today's video, I'm vlogging my lifestyle. As you can see, we just arrived to my friend's house. Yeah, so it's my friend that we've seen ourselves for how many months now? It's been long, Sha. So I just came to visit her. Stay tuned guys and continue watching, and hope you enjoy the vlogging.
Now, sir, we don't less now.
No, you go work.
Well, guys, as you can see, I just finished from my friend's house, one of my friend's house, my daughter godmother. We are in another place. Today is so much fun, guys. You cannot imagine it. Just enjoy the vlog, okay? Yeah, we are just there drinking, relaxing, chilling. They are making food for us. So from there we are going home. In fact, I'm so tired. The fun is too much. You know, when you've not seen people you've missed for a long time. Guys, you don't know what I'm missing here. You can say. Yeah, continue watching, guys. See my drama queen. She's so tired. My kids are the other side playing with other kids. Yeah, so see you and continue watching. Don't mind me, I'm just being silly. So guys, hey guys, so guys, we are going on. Yeah,
They tell us if they don't swear for us.
don't mind me, guys.
Now people
They are
go
just
home now,
laughing
they
at
go
me.
back
You know? So guys,
come on for you.
so guys, we'll finish in my friend's place. So
We're not there for a video.
don't mind the fun. Yeah, it was so fun.
My birthday, yeah. Yeah, I saw you now. On her birthday, I saw you.
It was so
On her
fun.
birthday?
On her birthday, yes.
You can see,
Yeah.
you can hear the
I saw
voice.
you.
Everybody is
On her
talking. You
You are
know.
singing, how old are you now?
Yeah, no,
How
like this.
old are you now?
They are making jest of
I
me
know
that I'm making
That's
video.
it.
Can you imagine?
That's all it is. You bought for her on her birthday. You bought
I don't remember
clothes,
again.
you bought shoes.
brother.
Yeah, she did give you.
So
If you don't
guys,
do
we
that,
are
you
about to
say
go
that you
home.
don't like her. No, that you don't love her.
My friends, they are shy people. They don't like staying in camera. So it's by the way anyway, guys. So we are about to go home now. They are making jest of me. Can you imagine that I'm making video? Hope I'm looking sweet, guys. Hope I'm-
Yellow price.
You can hear my husband in the background. He's talking. He's making jest of me. Anyway, it was fun today. You know, I really have much fun. I wish I can just be coming to my friend's house every day. Anyway, guys, just continue watching, And if you haven't subscribed, why don't you do me a favor? Click that red sign that says subscribe. Like this video, watch it to the end. If you have any questions, drop it at the comment section down below. So guys, see you in my next video. As of now, I am out. Hope you enjoy watching. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Bye.
Yo.